Hello, and today I want to share with you some tips on how to enhance your regular creams. So let's take, for example, your face cream. So on that base that you have, organic, pure, a good cream, you can add frankincense or geranium, a combination of both. I have just done one with myrrh, helichrysum and patchouli, and it's 1 drop every 10 ml because it's for the face, and you mix it well, and then you can apply this before your makeup or before going to bed, so it's a really good boost to your cream. These oils are very good for skin regeneration. Other things, for example, you dry brush before going into the shower, and after that you can enhance your lotion for the body with a mixture of juniper berry, cedarwood and cypress, which are excellent to better your cellulite and get rid of the water retention in the skin, and it's very good for smoothing the skin and again regenerating it. Your hand cream, you can add some myrrh or geranium or frankincense, and you have a different cream for your hands nowadays that we really need moisturizing. So these are my tips. I hope you like them, and if you do them at home, please share with us. Thanks.